Stick with manual garri frying or automatic garri fryer. It's the difference between just making garri and making money from it. In this video, Henan Jinrui breaks down both methods, so you can pick what's right for you. If you're starting small, manual frying is a low-cost entry. It keeps that traditional touch. But here's the catch, quality depends entirely on the person holding the spatula. One mistake, inconsistent taste, uneven texture. Bad for garri business. Now, if you're aiming for 1+ ton a day, let's talk numbers. Manual could mean hiring 10 workers, high cost, low control. 10 batches? You might get 10 different colors and textures. For the brand and reputation, that's fatal. That's where an automatic garri fryer changes the situation. Yes, it costs more upfront, but it pays off in consistency, labor savings, and product quality. So you can sell garri higher and scale faster. Henan Jinrui's fryer starts at 100 kilograms per hour with auto stirring and precise temp control. Same output, same quality every single time. So which one's for you? Capacity and budget, that's key. Daily output under 500 kilograms. Manual frying is enough. 1+ ton per day, garri fryer. It's more than equipment, it's your competitive edge. Want more tips on choosing the right garri processing setup? Follow Henan Jinrui. Next up, manual grating vs. high efficiency grinder, find your fit.